All right, we're going to figure out what the total surface area of a rectangular prism is. We got this box of crackers that measures 6 inches by 7 inches at the base. They're telling us that's the base. It's 6 by 7, and it's 12 inches tall. Okay, so that's going to be our height. So the very first thing I like to do is just draw a picture, and that helps me to see what's going on, and it just helps me get it started with a problem. Okay, so I'm just drawing 3 parallel lines, connecting them together, and then I'm going to draw this the dashed line so I can see all 6 sides. Okay, you don't have to do this, but if it helps, then go for it. And it's also saying it measures 6 by 7, so I'm going to make this 7 inches, this 6 inches, and it says it's 12 inches tall. Now, you may ask, why am I doing 7 inches here and 6 inches over here? I just chose those. It really doesn't matter. If I switched them, it wouldn't make any difference. Unless they tell you very specifically, the length is this and the width is that, it won't matter. Okay? So now I want to find out all my surface area. So the surface area is just like what you've been doing for a long time. Like what's the area of this rectangle? Well, it's measures 7 inches this way, 6 inches this way. So that's going to be 42 inches, right? So, and I've got 2 of them. I've got this one, this base, and then I've got a matching base up here. So I know there's going to be 2 of those. So I can say 2 times 6 times 7, and those are my bases. So that's the area of 2 of the bases. And let's choose this one, my sides. It's 6 by 12, and there's 2 of them. So I'm going to have 2 of these that are 6 by 12, and those are my sides. You don't have to write this there, but I find it helps when I go back and make sure I can see what I've done. And now I'm going to do the front and the back, which is going to be 7 by 12. Okay, so there's 2 of those. So 2 times 7 times 12, and that's the front and back. All right, now I just need to work this out. 6 times 7 is 42, and 2 times 42 is 84, and that's going to be inches squared. Okay, and the sides, 6 times 12 is 72, times 2 is 144, and again, inches squared. And 7 times 12 is 84, and 2 times 84 is 168. Inches squared. And then I'm going to add all these together. So I have 8 and 8 is 16, 10 and 8, 18, and 1 is 19. Oops, I changed colors. And then 3 ones, 396 inches squared. Make those all the same. Okay, so that is the total surface area of this rectangular prism. Now I'm going to show you 2 other ways that you may see this. You're going to be given a formula in most cases. It's going to say the surface area equals, I'm going to put a little t there just to note it's total surface area. That's just my notation. And it's going to be 2 times the length times the width plus 2 times the length times the height plus 2 times the width times the height. Okay, and again we've got length, width, height. We know the height is 12. The length and the width are 7 and 6. And so this is going to be 2 times 7 times 6 plus 2 times 7 times 12 plus 2 times 6 times 12. Okay? And if you notice, 2 times 7 times 6 is right here. 2 times 7 times 12 is right here, and 2 times 6 times 12 is right here. So we've got everything covered, so we know this answer is going to be 396 inches squared. Now, one other possible way that you may see this is surface area total is equal to the perimeter of the base times the height of the object plus 2 times the length times the width. Now, this represents the bases of the object. P represents perimeter of the base, and then the height is the height of the entire object. So let's tackle these one at a time. We got the perimeter of the base, that's 7 inches plus 6 inches plus 7 inches plus 6 inches. Okay, so now let's do this off to the side here. Perimeter equals 7 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6, and that's 13 plus 13 is going to be 26 inches. Okay, so now we can substitute in 26 inches for the perimeter, and the height is 12 inches. Okay, plus 2 times length times width. Well, we already have that, and that's 2 times 6 times 7, which is here, and that's 84 inches squared. So I can say 84 inches squared. Okay, so now all I have to do is figure out what is 26 times 12. 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 is 5. 1 times 6, 1 times 2, that's 2, 11, 3. Okay, so it's 312 inches squared plus 84 inches squared. Now all I have to do is add these together. 312 plus 84, 2 and 4 is 6, 8 and 1 is 9, and 3. 396 inches squared, which is the same thing that we got here and here. Okay, so it doesn't matter which way you choose to do this. It's whatever works for you, whatever makes the most sense. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do the lateral surface area of this same cracker box. I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next one.